AI already writes articles, paints pictures, and even screens job candidates. But there is the question, can we really trust it with such important decisions? Today we'll dive into 3 themes that will shape the future of artificial intelligence: ethics, governance, and productivity. No sugarcoating, no hype. Hi, my name is Valeria. I am a business development manager at Wamisoftware. And today I'll talk about AI not just as a trend, but as a real tool. AI is already transforming the job market, corporate management, and even personal productivity. So in this video, I'll cover 3 key themes. And I'll also share some thoughts on how to apply them in business and real life. Starting right now. Once our team was approached to build Once our team was approached to build an AI-powered recruitment app. The idea was simple. There are candidates, there are employers, and the app matches them just like Tinder, but for jobs, with AI generating recommendations based on algorithms. Sounds efficient, right? But there is a question. Can the algorithm be biased? Could it filter people out not just by skills, but by hidden pattern in the data? Without ethical guardrails, AI quickly turns from a tool into a problem. That's why businesses need to think not only about efficiency, but also about transparency. Where the data comes from, how the model is trained, and what decisions it's really allowed to make. Otherwise, who takes responsibility for a mistake? The developer of the algorithm, the HR who applies it, or the company that acts on the decision? What do you think? Can we trust AI to evaluate people? Let me know in the comments. The second theme is AI governance. Today, big corporations are already implementing AI usage policies. For example, Microsoft and Google have entire ethics and oversight departments. At the same time, small businesses and startups use AI with zero rules. Just upload data into ChatGPT and get the answers. But what if the data is sensitive? What if the AI makes a critical mistake? This raises the question, do we need a constitution for AI? Or should every company establish its own rules? My view is this. Without a systematic approach, businesses are at risk, from data leaks to flawed decision-making. AI is a powerful force, but it needs to be controlled. The third theme is productivity. AI really does take routine off your shoulders. In our practice, it really helped automatically screen resumes, organize data, and even generate reports. In software development, it's even more striking. AI speeds up coding by 55%, but about 40% of the code contains bugs. So yes, we work faster, but mistakes also multiply faster. The risk is that AI makes us efficient, but less attentive. We start outsourcing thinking itself to algorithms. That's why it is important to remember. AI is not a replacement for the brain. It's an extension of it. And the real skill of the future is not just knowing how AI works, but it's also knowing how to ask it the right questions. So, without rules, AI can replicate biases and harm businesses. We need transparent policies and explainable decisions. AI scales human capability, but it doesn't replace it. And if your business is ready for change and automation, reach out to us.